Welcome to our channel. Are you preparing for your first international flight? Look no further. In this video, we'll guide you through the ultimate checklist to ensure a stress-free journey. From booking flights to arriving at your destination, we have got you covered. Subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and hacks. With every subscriber, we get inspired to post such informational content at a greater pace. So let's begin. Number 1. Book flights. The flights must be booked 2 to 3 months in advance to get it in cheaper rates. And keep in mind the flights are cheaper on weekdays, especially Tuesday and Wednesday, rather on weekends. You can get flights at cheaper rates in various apps like Skyscanner, excellent for comparing prices across multiple airlines and showing flexible date options. Google Flights offers a user-friendly interface and price tracking. Kayak, good for comparing prices and finding deals. Finally, Hopper provides prediction on whether the prices will rise or fall. Number 2, travel documentation. Make sure to keep documents handy. There's a list of documents that you must not forget, and here they are. Passport. Some countries require a passport to be valid until at least 3 or 6 months after your trip is scheduled to end. So check your passport expiry date in advance. Visa. Some countries require citizens of certain countries to also obtain a visa in order to enter. So kindly check that. Carry a proof of citizenship, like for Indians, it is Aadhaar card. Consent form for travel with a minor. If you're traveling alone with a child, you may be required to have custody documents or notarized written consent from your child's other parent. Check with your destination's embassy prior to the travel. International driver's permit. If you plan on driving once you arrive at your destination, then get the IDP. You can apply through an authorized agency such as Automobile Association of India or your regional transport office. Not all countries require an IDP. In some countries, your Indian license might be accepted, but it's important to check that the specific requirements of the country that you plan to visit. Proof of international travel medical insurance. It is required by some countries. It is essential to check the entry requirement for each country before you plan to visit to determine if the medical insurance is mandatory or not. Even if it is not required, having travel insurance is advisable for unexpected medical expenses. Return ticket. You may need to provide proof of this before entering a country. So make sure you do have a return ticket and just verify it through Google also. List of medication. You may need to provide documentation from a physician for the medication you are bringing abroad. Also note that some narcotics and over-the-counter medication are illegal in other countries, so check with your destination's embassy prior to the travel. Number 3, web check-in. Download your airline's app and check in online. How will this help? If you aren't checking any bags, you can go straight to the security. This saves your time. This may allow you to choose your seat. It gives you easy access to boarding passes, generate your boarding pass and store it in your phone. It also allows you to check for flight delays. Number 4, reaching the airport. Make sure to arrive at the airport at least 3 hours before your boarding time, not just the departure time. Consider potential traffic or other delays that you might encounter. It is much more relaxing to wait at the airport for your boarding than to stress about possibly missing your flight. Number 5, check-in baggage and boarding pass. When you get to the airport, the first step is to locate your airline and check in for your international flight. Do not forget to have your passport and visa and other necessary documents. If you have luggage to check in, be mindful of any fees and restrictions on the weight and items. Once everything is set, the airline staff will print your boarding pass and you will be one step closer to your adventure. Number 6, security check. As you navigate through security, have your passport or government issued ID handy along with your carry-on luggage. Keep your travel documents like your boarding pass and any other important papers close at hand as you might need them again. Remember, it's a good idea to wear easy to remove shoes and minimal metal items to speed up the process. Stay relaxed and get ready for your journey ahead. Number 7, verify flight gate and status. Once you make it through the security, find your gate and verify that your flight has not changed gates and is on time. Flights can be delayed or cancelled at a moment's notice, so make sure you stay informed. Set up notification on your phone using your airline's app to let you know when or if your flight is delayed, or listen to the announcements made at your gate. Number 8. Regulation form. As you wait for your boarding instructions, keep an eye out for an important form that an airline attendant may hand out during your international flight. This form is crucial for customs and immigration and will ask you about your travel plans, purpose of a visit, and any items you are bringing into the country. Filling it out accurately is the key, as it helps authorities process your entry smoothly and ensures you comply with local regulations. So take a moment to complete it before you land. It will make your arrival much easier. Number 9. Arrival to your destination. Follow the signs to arrival area after leaving the aircraft. Number 10. Follow signs to immigration. Head to the immigration control area where you will need to present your passport and any required visas. Once reached, show the immigration officer your passport, completed arrival form if applicable, and any other necessary documents. Number 11. Baggage claim. After clearing immigration, proceed to the baggage claim area to collect your checked luggage. Number 12. Health screening. Be prepared for any health checks which may include temperature screenings or additional documentation regarding health. Number 13. Exit the airport. Once you have cleared customs, follow the signs to the exit. You may encounter transportation options like taxis, shuttles, or public transport. You can take whichever you want. Number 14. Announcements. Now, each airport may have slightly different processes, so be sure to keep an eye out for signs and announcements particular to your destination. Number 15. Enjoy your stay. Once you are outside, you are free to start your adventure in your new destination. However, keep your documents safe and happy journey. Congratulations! You have reached the end of our ultimate guide to your first international flight. With these 7 essential tips, you are now equipped to navigate the complexities of international air travel with confidence. From booking flights at the best rates to arriving at your destination with ease, we have covered every crucial step. Remember to stay organized, plan ahead, and remain flexible. Also, do not panic. I understand that these are a lot of steps to remember, but if you take into account every step and also do your own research specific to your destination, you will be calm and composed during your entire journey. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.